Hello, I'm Larry Clifford from Best Property Rentals. I want to talk to you about smoke alarms and changes to the Queensland smoke alarm legislation, which will have an impact on rental properties by the year 2022 and on owner-occupied properties by 2027. If you are a landlord or a homeowner, find out what is involved to meet these stringent new standards by entering your postcode. QFES has a free Safe Home program where Queenslanders can request a visit from local firefighters who will advise them of the best locations for smoke alarms and suggest other fire safety initiatives around the home. To request a Safe Home visit, call 13QGOV. Any smoke alarms being replaced after January 2017 must be a photoelectric alarm. By having the alarms interconnected, it won't matter which part of the house a fire might start in, the alarm closest to you will sound, and if you are asleep, an alarm will sound in your room, even if the area is closed off to the rest of the house. Research shows that photoelectric interconnected smoke alarms are the most effective on the market for alerting people to fires early. New state-based legislation necessitates the following additional measures in Queensland rental properties by 2022. Smoke alarms must be installed in every bedroom of a home. All smoke alarms must be powered by either 240 volt or a 10-year lithium battery. All smoke alarms must be interconnected to each other, and all smoke alarms must be photoelectric rather than ionisation. All smoke alarms must meet the new Australian standard 3786-2014. Please subscribe to our YouTube video channel.